problem. An insect crawls up a hemispherical surface very slowly. The figure is given below here. The coefficient of friction is 1/3. If the line joining the center of the hemispherical surface to the insect makes an angle alpha with the vertical, the maximum possible value of alpha is given by option A, cot alpha equal to 3, option B, tan alpha equal to 3, option C, sec alpha equal to 3, option D, cosec alpha equal to 3. Here we have drawn the figure. A is the lowest point and the insect can crawl up to the maximum point is B. Now here the weight of the insect mg acts vertically downward. This is mg. Now we resolve the weight into two components. One is along the radius and the other component is along the tangent and the point B. If this is alpha, this angle also will be alpha. Then the component of mg along this direction, mg cos alpha, and along the tangent the component is mg sin alpha. Now what happens? At the point B, the normal reaction is capital N along BO. Here the normal component is balanced by the component of weight mg cos theta. Sorry, here cos alpha. That is N equal to mg cos alpha. And the component mg sin alpha helps to slide the insect downward. But the friction between the insect and the surface of the hemisphere F, and this acts tangentially upward. This is F friction. With the increase of the angle alpha, mg sin alpha increases and also the friction force F increases. When the limiting friction is attained, we can write F equal to mg sin alpha. This is the limiting friction or maximum friction, and we know F equal to mu n equal to mg sin alpha. N equal to mg cos alpha equal to mg sin alpha, and this gives tan alpha equal to mu, or tan alpha equal to, the given value of mu is 1/3. And if we look at our options, then we can change tan alpha equal to 1 by cot alpha equal to 1 by 3, and this gives cot alpha equal to 3. Hence our correct option is A, cot alpha equal to 3. Okay, thank you.